Interventional radiologist, Dr. Asma cardiac anesthetist, and Dr. Vaibhav Shah, CVT surgeon. So this was a 77-year-old lady who had cardiac issue in the past, presented with severe abdominal pain, and on investigation it was found out that she had something what we call as an abdominal aortic aneurysm, and which was having an impending rupture situation. So considering the fact that she also had cardiac blockages, that what we call TVT, and other comorbidities, we decided to take the case up for what we call EVAR, that is endovascular aortic aneurysm repair, explain the relatives what the high risk part is, and right now we're able to successfully achieve the case and patient is still. The further details, Dr. Azim, Dr. Vaibhav share from their point of view.
For anesthesia point of view, so basically patient's age is 77-year female and having triple blockage with a high degree of blockage. Left main LAD and LCX more than 95% blockage proximal, and RCA is total block. So for hemodynamic point of view as well as for the airway, we choose MAC monitor anesthesia care with local anesthesia.
Now Dr. Vaibhav will say from his arteriotomy point of view.
The local anesthesia, we had a bilateral femoral arterial cut down. The problem with this patient was she had dense calcification in the femoral arteries where we had to puncture and take access. So we had gradually dilated the vessel and we had deployed the device. After the deployment, patient required localized endarterectomy wherein we removed the calcium and all so that we could suture the vessel properly. So surgery is done. Hopefully patient should recover in some time.
And now patient is hemodynamic stable.
Perfect.
And patient is conscious.
And again, a big thank you to the entire cath lab staff, the OT staff. The case went on very smoothly. Now just hoping for the best. Yeah?
Thank you, sir.
ट्रीटमेंट से पहले मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि उनको हुआ क्या था। तो 2 महीने से पेट में दर्द था। तो सीटी स्कैन में पता चला कि उनको ट्रिपल ए है, एब्डोमिनल एओर्टा एनेरिज्म। तो काफ़ी डॉक्टर से हमने कंसल्ट किए लेकिन कहीं पे हमें जम नहीं रहा था। तो हमारे एक रिलेटिव ने एसएस हॉस्पिटल का सजेस्ट किया। यहाँ पे हमने आए बताए तो यहाँ के डॉक्टर्स ने हमें काफ़ी डिटेल में, काफ़ी इजी लैंग्वेज में प्रॉब्लम को एक्सप्लेन किए, ट्रीटमेंट को एक्सप्लेन किए एंड डॉक्टर का फुल सपोर्ट था। जो स्टाफ है, नर्सेस है, जितनी भी इनकी ट्रीटमेंट एडमिशन से लेके डिस्चार्ज तक का प्रोसेस था, काफ़ी स्मूथ था, काफ़ी सबने सपोर्ट किया। आगे अगर किसी का कुछ रहता है तो मैं डेफिनेटली आपका हॉस्पिटल रिकमेंड करूँगा और थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, sir.